Be there then, but she's here with us now. We welcome Dipti Avasti Sharma, the co-founder of Go Hoarding Solutions LLP. Thank you for your patience.
Good afternoon, everyone. I have stage phobia, so I'm not very good in speeches and all. Okay, but I'll try my best. Today I'm going to share my journey, how I overcome from challenges and converted problems into opportunities. Like everyone, my journey also started with a lot of confusions about career options and what to opt for futures and deciding the path of my life. And just like my neighbors, Gupta ji's sons is doing, my parents wanted me to do the same. Do CA, do this, do that. Then that convinced me that because I had no option to start my journey, so I opted CA as my career. But after a couple of years at reaching CA final level, I decided that this is not my cup of tea. I think I am made for something else, which I haven't, that time I haven't find out what I was made for. So I finally decided to drop CA and started looking for what I was made for. And for me, simple and normal is, I think, lifeless. It's like death. I think my life should be like jalebi. It should be roller coaster. and later on, I got an opportunity to sponsor, to organize a big concert event. And but somehow things were not as per the plan. I failed miserably and got bankrupt, and it was the initial stages of my life, and I didn't have enough money to cater the particular event. So I had the immediate loss of 40 lakhs because of lack of planning and no knowledge about the work, which I decided to do it. And because of that, my father he sold our house and paid off the immediate liability. And post that, my life again started back to zero. I thought everything is now over. I think I should give up and go back to my normal job and work. But something in my mind kept me going. Something immense inside energy and something was there in my heart that kept me motivated and telling me that I have nothing to lose now. I'm already zero. Maybe I can reach 100. Maybe I should try. I should not give up. Maybe I can reach somewhere. What I have to lose? I have nothing to lose now. I should give it a new try. I should bounce back. I should rise. Maybe I rise again. Maybe I'll become the better and the best version of me nobody thought I can ever be. So soon after this situation and circumstances, I got married, and my husband and me, we started a company called GoHoardings.com. It's an, thank you, it's an edtech advertisement platform where you can book, buy, and plan traditional outdoor media, which was used to be done through just manual Reiki. Now you can buy from online thing, and that too AI and lot of technology involved. So my husband was from a tech background and I was from finance background. We combined our expertise and created this platform. We started from a very small office, and we used to do multiple jobs, multiple things together by ourselves. And every day when I start my day, I always knew one thing, that I will make it. Whenever I get up, I made a discipline. I made a timeline that I'll get up at 6 or 5 minutes sharp. Not should be posed later than that. Either day will run you or you will run the day. So I think I should run my day. And I get up and I bend down on my knees and I pray to God, thank you for this day, and I hope I'll make it. I'll do the best in my life, and I hope this day is going to be the best day of my life. Every day I feel that. And then gradually I started getting work, clients, and made $1 million company in just 2 years since the company formed. Yeah. And we are proud to say that we are now serving complete pan-India, more than 300 cities, and we'll go global. And last but not the least, I know you're getting bored, but I can read her expression. Last but not the least, I just want to say, enjoy your journey because it is as beautiful as the destiny. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dipti.